Hi, we've added a new import feature in the procurement estimator module in EagleOwl. To use this, go to procurement, estimator. Here you'll see a new import button. Click on the import button. It'll take you to the upload page. Click here to download the instruction for the importer. It'll be a sample Excel sheet which will have the format in which you should be uploading the data. Once you're ready with the data, click on the import button and select your Excel sheet. The system will show you a preview of the data you've selected. You can either select recipes or sale SKUs or both. Here I've added a recipe, a sale SKU, and also a sample dummy recipe. Click on validate. Here you have to choose the date format and click on validate. Once the data is validated, click on the submit data button. The system will ask you if the sub recipes are to be broken down to a SKU level. If you choose no, it will not be broken down, but you'll see the sub recipes of the item selected. Click on confirm. The estimation is ready, and the two items, the recipe and the sale SKU, are broken down into its ingredients. Since we did not choose to break down the sub recipe, you can see the sub recipes here. The sub recipes in green color are not in-house, and the ones in blue color are in-house sub recipes. Since we had added a dummy recipe, it will show up in the missing items. So here is where you'll find the data in your sheet which are non-existent in our system. There is also an export button. Click the export button to get the Excel sheet export of this estimated data.